What's happening, everyone? Coming at you with another reset. Today we're doing the Voix U10. Nice little budget phone over here. If you have one of these and you get a pattern or a password that you forgot what it is, we will show you how to do a hard reset on that using the buttons. Just remember, whenever we do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if there's anything important on there, it will be deleted. So just bear that in mind. And also, guys, we're posting a ton more of the hard resets and teardowns. So if there's anything in particular you guys want to see, just drop a comment. Otherwise, give us a follow. We'd appreciate that. But otherwise, let's get into this. So with the phone off, and in this case we got the phone off, we have the volume button up, volume down, and power. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. So I'm going to start holding the volume down first, and then hit the power button. And it brings us to our menu here, and it's volume down is okay, and you scroll with the volume up. So we get on recovery, hit volume down, and then this will take us to the no command screen, and we'll show you how to get out of that in 2 seconds. Oh, in this case, this one did not. So right into our reset menu, we'll just use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. So we'll scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, confirm, hit the power button again. Now the phone's resetting. And it's complete. So now we can either reboot system now or power off. Just hit the power button to reboot. There we go. And that's how you do a reset on a Voix U10. If you guys have any questions, comments, just let us know. Otherwise, we appreciate if you guys could like, share, follow, all that great stuff. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.